Hi, it's Chris from Chris Loves Crochet and Crochet Recreations, and I thought I would let you in on a little secret. And I thought that maybe if I did, then I would actually get something done in here. This is my craft room. This is the only part you ever see. It's around there. But I'm going to show you above ground what it looks like in here and do some time-lapse photography and show you how I organize it. Thank you very much, Krista from Secret Yarnery. Got lots of ideas from her live chat and some motivation. So let me turn the camera around. Here's the other side of the room. So there's my closet. It's wide open. There's my pretty clock that I haven't wound. There's my closet. There's my finished, well, some of my finished items that I put over there instead of just leaving on the floor or putting it. I ran out of drawer space, so I used these organizers to put my finished crochet pieces in, so I can come in here and find something to wear. There's all my crochet purses. This is where I do some work with VIP kids, teach little kids how to speak English in Beijing. And so I have a computer over there. You can't see it. I have a computer over here. But it's so messy, so I get over there to teach my kids. I'm going to stop doing that. So now I can claim back that space. And use the good chair over here. So here's just the mess. I'm going to back up. Oh, without tripping on anything. Here's just the mess. And I have some great drawers that don't have anything in them. I'm going to put those in my bedroom because I have some clear drawers in my bedroom I'm going to bring out here and put... Here's my recording space. But look what's over here. Every time I finish something, recording something or doing something, I just push it off to the side. So there's a bunch of stuff. So I have cleaned out underneath the table pretty much. So the little clear drawers can go under there. And then I have my yarnscape. Well, there's all my, well, some of my whips are mostly UFOs that are over there in that shoe cubby that I have hanging on my curtain rod. So here's the top of my yarnscape. There's my door. There's some more of my yarnscape. And then it gets messier and messier as we go down. And then it's just a big pile of poo. So I have some things out in the hallway that are giveaway. I have some things that are starting over here in the corner that are trash. And I'm trying to do my clothes at the same time. So I need to get my clothes out of the way so I can actually come in here and do what I need to do. So anyway, I'm going to let you in on steps that I take and how I end up organizing this thing and what this is going to look fabulous over here. Pretty soon. And then I'll need to get some of my things that I have, all of that extra stuff. That needs to go into some clear drawers so I can see what they are. I hope I'm not making y'all dizzy. So this is my recording space right there. Little tiny spot. Got my light up there. Little mirror so I can see what's going on my phone. And then my little tripod. So I'll let you see it as I get further along. Okay, stick with me. I'm gonna get it done. Hi, it's me again. Okay, so I've decided to start on my craft table. I'm sorry, I can't get the light just right in here, but I'm hoping that you can see what's up here. And what I realized was I had put a bunch of stuff up here that I had made a while ago that I put up on Poshmark or Mercari, one of the two. I mean, I'm using both of them. I haven't sold anything yet. So I don't know how, it's been up there a month, so I don't know how well that's gonna go. So I have a box. I've saved a couple of boxes. And I'm gonna put these festival tops that I made. So go out and find them on Poshmark or Mercari if you want them. Is that? That's it. Okay, and then I have other things that are done, or I have some, I I have a bunch of crochet patterns and stuff in here for crochet ideas, crochet sketches and ideas, and printed patterns and things I don't know what they are. Maybe trash. Okay, so I have a box. Oh, I have a box right here that is, I don't know if you can see that or not, just a box of patterns and some, I got some, what are they called? Oops. Oops, sorry. Oops, sorry. Tripod's not straight. I got some of these canvases to do some free-form crochet on. I have a few envelopes in here to send some smaller consignment stuff. So right now I'm just organizing, not really organizing, but putting all of my patterns and pattern ideas in one place, and then I will find a I'll find a file something or other to do. So I have some other finished items that after the I'm gonna put some of this yarn over here. After the video, I just threw them over here. So I have a trash behind me, behind you, in front of me, where I'm putting some partially used, mostly used things. This is my garden hat that usually stays on my little form head, like that. Keeps me happy. I don't know, she usually goes on the back of the table, so there's no back of the table right now, so I'm going to put her over there. Oh, here's another little festival top for you skinny people out there. Buy my festival tops. And another hat. It's a little too floppy to wear, but it's still kind of cute. Just put that on top of the yellow one. That I did a while ago. I have a water balloon that I'm never going to use because I don't have kids and I don't play in the water. And it's just one, it's not a set. Then I have a couple of different, I'll put these up, a couple of different divine hats, some different patterns. I'm going to put those over here in a box as well. I may try to put them online to sell them. I have yarn that's almost done, not almost done, that's almost full. I'm going to put it into move her back here with her double hat till I need her, and that goes back there. This goes for school, and then little items on that side. Look, it's done. Okay, now let's see what we can do with this side. Oh no. Alright, so I'm using all of these right now for a poncho. partial of this left. And I really love this. Can you see it over here? I don't know. You can't see it. It's ice. I'm gonna have to order some more Ambiente. And it is in the color of rainbow, I think. Oh, little bits of that. So I think I'm gonna throw this out and order some more. Because it makes me happy. This is yarn for another whip I have going. Whip stack. And this is for my 2020 challenge. Whip stack. Darn good yarn boxes, darn good recyclable yarn boxes. But right now I have all my gifts in this one, plus other stuff. Oh, I haven't done that one yet. Found it online. I don't know what to do with all this stuff. All this stuff is going to go into drawers. Got 2 of this washable stuff. And then I did just go through Christmas and use these for almost every gift I could squish in there because they were all handmade. So I'll save a couple of them. Just another bag of stuff that needs to go in the drawers. I think I'm going to take them out now that this area is clear so that I can see what it is to put them away. Quite sure why I got half this stuff. Ooh. Have some organizers. I'm not sure if this is going to fit in one of the drawers. This may be something that I set out with little things in them. A bigger tote. That'll fit in a drawer. Oh, I got some little ones too. Who knows where they are though? This is my button maker. That'll go in the drawers. And so now what I need to do is get the drawers. Get rid of the brown ones and bring in the other ones. And here we go. Sorry, I'm holding this. Look how nice it all looks. And there's my UFO pile. I hung up a few things, my little scrumbles and a bunch of lace that my mom, or ribbons my mom had collected. I said, give them to me, I'll just tie them together. Don't know if I want to keep them or not. And here's my yarnscape. It could be better, but it certainly is. Oh my gosh, that's a mess. But I can see everything. I can see everything that's everywhere, and I don't know, there's none that are hidden in any bag or anything. There's my one darn good yarn that I'm going to use. I put back here underneath the table my what are those called? Patterns, and the envelopes and the boards to do some freeform on. I brought in the white, took out the brown, and this is my specialty yarn. That most of it came from Darn Good Yarn, and I don't know what to do with it. I've made a Euragina. I can't even say it anymore. Euragina. Anyway, shawl. Just using all of the different colors, and so I might do that. And I also use it for some freeform. And then I brought in my see-through shelving things here. And so I don't know if I need to put a label or not, but like up here, I don't know, there's some purse type things, there's some lining things and some handles in there. And then here I have buttons and fasteners and beads in here. Down here I have lots of tools and things that I use. Back there, the extra two, I put whip bags and gift bags in there. And then over here, I have extra just regular crochet items. And Oh, in here, I've been collecting, meaning to do something steampunk. So I've got all these fancy doodads that are really steampunk. So I'm going to find what it was I was going to do with those. I put them all together. And then down here is just some ribbon and some additional, and some sewing items. Sewing and some other tools, some of the extras that I didn't use to hang up all of my recording stuff. So those fit under there. I brought my good chair over that makes me happy to sit in. Took that fabric off of my table so I can use my measuring tape when I need to. So anyway, this was a good day. I hope that, I don't know what I did that might be helpful, but it was nice of you to be there and be supportive. You know, it's hard to do without friends with you. And this was one of those things that I just couldn't get to. And so so I did it now though. And the rest of the room with the clothes and such and my other desk for the teaching I'm going to have to get to. But right now, gosh, this space, there's floor. Look, there's floor. I can show you the floor space all over the place. It's so exciting. It's so exciting. Thank you so much for hanging in there with me, and I'm so glad I got this part of it done. And thanks for spending your time. I hope you learned something or just got motivated maybe. I don't know. And we always have a choice, so please choose happy. Thank you. Bye.